Today I'm going to be making a vegan banana and Oreo milkshake. So hi, I'm JBRose and here is another one of my vlogs. So it's Saturday afternoon, kids have gone off, and so it's my time to sort of treat myself. Today I'm going to be making a vegan banana and Oreo milkshake. It's one of those things that, you know when you taste it and you got this, you lose words, you can't find adjectives because it tastes so nice. So this morning, before I left out, we went swimming, I put 2 bananas in the freezer. Now, simple things, your banana, your milk, your Oreo biscuits, and you just zhuzh it up. I can make this myself, but you know you want to eat this quick and you want to just go be in heaven real quick. Sometimes we can treat ourselves. So I went and I found these vegan Oreo things. So as you can see, these are my raw ingredients. This is the banana, but that's not what we're going to use. This is my frozen banana. I'm going to chop it up and I'm going to put it in my blender. So I'm going to be making enough for 2. So I'm going to put, here's 1, here's 2, hey, and let's put 3 for luck. And then I'm going to pour some milk in. So here it is, my banana and Oreo smoothie. It is off the chain. It's so nice to just go like this. If you like this recipe, please subscribe, please like, and please come back again because there's going to be loads more of these. Oh, and listen out for my album. I'm working with Neville from 2B3. He's fantastic. He used to work with Beverly Knight. He does remixes. I think he just did a Chris Brown remix. And the music that you're hearing in the background is my songs. Please subscribe. There's going to be plenty more of these videos. JBRose singing Vegan Mum.